Imagine, you go to the supermarket to buy just one thing, but when you return home, the bill is double your budget. You think, why did I buy all this? The truth is, we don't take logical decisions regarding money. We take emotional decisions. And then we look for logic to justify those emotions. This is why some people remain stressed despite a good salary, while some achieve financial freedom even with an average income. In today's video, we will learn why money is more emotional than mathematical, how fear, greed, habits, and social pressure control our financial decisions, and most importantly, how you can train your brain so that money works for you. By the end of this video, you will start seeing money from a completely new angle. Let's begin. Most people think that financial success is related to intelligence, but research says something else. Think, there are two people. Both have the same salary. Both live in the same city. Both are of the same age. 10 years later, one has investments, savings, and assets. The other is trapped in loans and credit card debt. What was the difference? Knowledge? No. Emotions. We all develop beliefs about money since childhood. If someone has always seen a lack of money in childhood, they will feel anxiety while spending money even in adulthood. If someone has associated wealth with status, they might blow money on unnecessary things just to impress. The problem is not mathematics. The problem is psychology. And until psychology comes under control, money also doesn't come under control. The human brain fears losing money more than earning money. In an experiment, people were given two options. Option A, $100 guaranteed. Option B, 50% chance of getting $200. Most people chose option A because certainty feels comfortable. This is why many people don't even start investing. They feel, what if the money is lost? Result? Inflation keeps destroying the value of their money. Fear makes us feel safe. But sometimes that same fear keeps us away from opportunities. Rich people don't avoid risk. They understand calculated risk. This difference takes them ahead. Another dangerous emotion is comparison. In today's social media era, we see others' lifestyles every day. Luxury cars, expensive vacations, designer clothes, and then we start comparing our lives. The problem is, we see their highlights, not reality. Many people take poor decisions just to look rich. Latest phone, car on EMI, shopping on credit card, temporary happiness, permanent stress. Real wealth is not what people see. Real wealth is what people cannot see. Savings, investments, assets, financial security. The sooner this is understood, the better. You must have noticed, we all love immediate rewards. Being happy today, enjoying today, buying today. But wealth works on the opposite principle, delayed gratification. In a famous experiment, children were given a marshmallow. They were told, if you wait for 15 minutes, you will get another marshmallow. Some children waited. Some ate it immediately. Years later, researchers saw that the children who could wait had more successful life outcomes. The same happens with money. Today's unnecessary expense can become tomorrow's missed opportunity. Every successful investor has one common trait: patience. Many people say, I will save when my income increases. But reality is the opposite. Habits don't improve automatically by increasing income. Often, expenses also increase along with income. This phenomenon is called lifestyle inflation. Salary double, expenses double, savings zero. Result? Financial stress same. Wealth is not made from income. It is made from behavior. If a person cannot save in 20,000, then often it is difficult even in 200,000. Successful people see money from a different perspective. They consider every rupee as an employee. They ask the question, how will this money work for me? Poor mindset. How much can I spend? Rich mindset. How much can I invest? Poor mindset. I deserve this purchase. Rich mindset. Will this purchase improve my future? These small thinking shifts create long-term results. If you want to improve your financial psychology, then follow these 5 rules. Rule 1. Wait for 24 hours before making a purchase. Impulse buying will reduce dramatically. Rule 2. Save the first part of your income. Spend what remains. Rule 3. Control your comparison habit. Focus on progress, not people. Rule 4. Invest in financial education. Books, skills, and knowledge are the best investments. Rule 5. Adopt long-term thinking. Ask before every decision. Where will this take me after 5 years? These simple questions can completely change your financial future. Money is not a game of numbers. It is a game of behavior. How much you earn, this is important. But how you think about money, this is even more important. Fear, greed, comparison, impatience. These are all invisible forces that control our financial decisions. And the day you control these emotions, that day money will stop controlling you. Remember, financial freedom is created in the mind before the wallet. If you have learned something today, write in the comments, "Mindset creates wealth." And don't forget to subscribe to Hidden Wealth. See you in the next video.